Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone keep dropping calls or disconnecting calls after the updating of iOS. If you are facing this issue, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and basic method is turn off your iPhone and take out the SIM card, clean it properly and insert back. Use the SIM ejector tool, take out the SIM card, clean it and insert back and check the problem will be solved or no. After that we go for solution number 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. Simply launch settings and enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 3. Reset network settings. First launch settings, then tap general and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required. Tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 2. Check carrier update. To check that, first launch settings, then tap general and tap about, and a pop-up window will appear if carrier update is available. Now we go for solution number 5. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first launch settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.